Hi, this is Dr. Wasty, and I'm going to be doing a YouTube video. And the YouTube video is going to be the bug vacuum and bun. And I already have 4 mosquitoes and flies in there. And to make it work, you have to catch a bug, which you have to move this like this. You have to do it like this. Shoot this. You have to press this if you want to shoot it. And once you catch it, and it's down here, quickly do this. We smashed a bug before, like a fly, and we sliced guts. It's clean. Then we do this. Put this here, and then we do this. I don't want to do it basically right now, because there's already 4 bugs in there, flies and mosquitoes, I already said. And bye, this is Dr. HD, and I'm going to be by the Dr. HD. Can you please give me a like, a comment, and can you please give me a thumbs up and a review.